Here at Rapid Development Services, we develop pharmaceutical and medical device equipment for the biggest companies out there in the market to startups that have a new innovative product they want to bring to market. Today we have a pharmaceutical application, somewhat of a medical device application as well. The system starts with feeding a plastic cap from bulk and will be filled with a liquid drug in the next station. We're also doing inspection operations automatically, such as presence, absence of the liquid. We're even looking to see how much liquid is in that cap. Once we achieve that criteria, we either have an automatic accept or reject function, and we do that throughout most of our automation lines that we do. We try to automate and improve quality for our customers. As the product continues down the line, we feed from bulk a swab. That swab is brought to a robotic cell that picks and places the swab into the cap that we just filled with the liquid drug. And it continues down the line, and we grab the swab, rotate it 180 degrees one way and 180 degrees the opposite way, just to make sure the drug is coated onto the swab material prior to packaging. It indexes to another robotic cell that does a pick and place operation from the transfer conveyor into a pouch. We also inspect to make sure all those components, the swab, the cap, the liquid drug, are there prior to putting the assembly into the pouch. We generate the pouch from a raw roll of foil material that is sealed and delivered to the robotic cell that will pick and place the assembly into the pouch. We're also labeling the pouch with a lot code and expiration date and inspecting that the lot code and expiration date is not only present and absent, but also readable. Once that is complete, the pouch is loaded, it is sealed. We do one more inspection on the pouch just to inspect that the cap and the swab are present in the pouch after sealing, kind of simulating what a human operator might do, kind of feel in the pouch to make sure those items are there. The pouch is discharged, and we go into an automated folding operation where the top of the pouch needed to be folded for the customer's criteria to fit in their carton that they would deliver to retail locations or hospitals. Once that is completed, it discharges onto a conveyor. Outside of the clean room, it is taken into the packaging department. Here at Rapid Development Services, you can contact us through our website, rapidds.com. You can call into the factory directly at 1-866-900-1033 or email us, info@rapidds.com.